Hey guys, this is Weather Geek 525. We have a severe weather outbreak, slight risk, in effect from the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma. We are planning on having another winter storm affect the area come tomorrow. And the area encompasses Utah and Wyoming, maybe Colorado. So please be careful, and please comment on this video and tell me, do you want to see live streams more or normal videos more? And also, what kind of weather videos do you want to see? Weather alerts or the severe weather content that I am bringing you now? Thanks.